This is the Johns Hopkins Glacier. We're approaching on the Euro Dam. And you can see other glaciers up on the sides. If it were clear, you'd also see taller mountains. You see all that up there?
Glacier Bay.
So it's raining. In our cabin, I didn't realize it was raining. But out here, you can feel the rain. Put the hood on, right? So we're going to get closer to it, and then we're going to do a 360, I think. If you look back there, you'll just see more people and more ships. So of course you can move this all around. That's the Johns Hopkins Glacier in Glacier Bay, Alaska. There's a lot of ice coming off. Although I haven't seen any come off in the last few minutes. Cab and Janet pointed out.
Oh, thank you guys.
Here's the name. There are a lot of umbrellas out here.
No, we got such a beautiful
Ruining all the pictures. I said 41 seconds.
To get binoculars, right?
Let's go up high. Be sure to swipe all around. So we are pretty near the Johns Hopkins Glacier. The ship has begun to do its 180 at least. The ranger said it would be a 360, so we'll see what happens. But all those people in the bow are probably leaving now. Yeah, I heard a cab too. I did not see it.
So you can start to see in here, is that
Somebody else is narrating for me. You see people on the balconies now. I hear noises.